Robotic lawnmower experience accelerated. Ecovacs Goat A Series. Powered by 32-volt energetic platform. Dual blade discs cutting with zero gap design. Everywhere it goes, it creates a carpet-smooth lawn with triple mowing efficiency. Equipped with all-new LiDAR technology. Goat pictures the yard efficiently and offers stabilized navigation. Stays on track even in the shadows. Entrust your integrated courtyard to Goat. Experience its power and accuracy. With Ecovacs' unique TruEdge technology, it can cut along the edges or even automatically ride on the edges to mow. With AI vision and 3D TOF LiDAR, it avoids more than 200 types of obstacles, including hedgehogs. You can manage the map and set mowing plans to fit your personal schedule and preference with simple clicks. Ecovacs Goat A Series. Powerful and perfect mowing accelerated.